Kepler's laws certainly played a role in proving the heliocentric model of the universe, but there was another man who was equally important to the public acceptance of the new theory. From the early 17th century for over 40 years, he provided numerous arguments for heliocentrism, until the church eventually had to arrest him. That man is Galileo Galilei, one of the first people to be considered a true scientist. Galileo was a brilliant physicist and engineer, but his greatest achievements were all in the field of astronomy. He invented his own telescope, and with it, he almost single-handedly disproved the Aristotelian idea of geocentrism. His first and most famous discovery was the observation that Jupiter was orbited by 4 moons. These moons, now known as the Galilean moons, were significant to the scientific community for one reason. It was the first time natural satellites had been discovered to orbit a planet besides the Earth. This clearly defied the ancient idea that celestial bodies had to orbit the Earth and nothing else. Galileo then dealt another blow to the geocentric model when he observed Venus's phases. Galileo argued that for Venus's phases to be observable from the Earth, Venus and the Earth both had to orbit the Sun. By now, the church was already upset with Galileo, but he wasn't done just yet. The following year, Galileo's next discovery once again contradicted Aristotle's beliefs, this time the belief that the Sun and other celestial bodies were perfect and unchanging. It was the discovery of sunspots, which Galileo viewed as imperfections on the Sun's surface. Later that year, he once again disproved the idea of the perfect heavens, when he noticed mountains and craters on the Earth's moon, because the Earth's moon was classically thought to be perfectly spherical. For some people, this was enough proof in favor of heliocentrism. Nevertheless, the Catholic Church put Galileo under house arrest for heresy, and Galileo spent the last 10 years of his life in complete isolation. Galileo was one of the greatest scientists of his time, but if there was one scientist who surpassed him during the scientific revolution, it was his successor, Sir Isaac Newton, who came to be known as the father of modern physics.